Hi everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about integrations we're currently working at and are planning to develop in the future. Teams across many industries struggle to optimize product quality and delivery, increase transparency and predictability. Currently, we have quite a number of available native integrations which serve these goals and beyond.
Of course, any integration that we created in Targetprocess unlocks a number of possibilities immediately after it's been set up. These are simplified navigation between different systems, data consolidation from multiple sources into Targetprocess, automation across different tools, analytics of processes running in different tools. Let's talk about these possibilities one by one. First of all, navigation between different tools. If a company is using several tools or services, context switching is always an issue. It's a pain to switch from one tool to another to know which item in one tool is connected to which data in another tool. We try to solve this in our integrations. The second thing is, we add important information from third-party tools in Targetprocess. Thus, Targetprocess becomes a source of information where you can quickly and easily find and see important things in one place. Let me show you what it looks like on the example of our GitLab integration. If you open a card in Targetprocess, you can see a certain work item, and we quickly show all pull requests and branches related to this work and give you a possibility to easily navigate to third-party systems, like GitLab in this case. We also show additional information, for example the state of the merge request. Here you can see it's closed. You can see the pipelines and the code review status for the specific branch. All this information is available on the boards as an extra control over here. We are only halfway through, and now I'm going to tell you about even more exciting opportunities that come with the new integrations. A very important component of Targetprocess is the subsystem of automation rules that we've released not long ago. If you don't know anything about it, please use the link in the description section. This is a very powerful development module that lets you automate the processes inside your company. Originally, it was designed so that for some events happening in the Targetprocess system, you can make changes in the data in Targetprocess. We can trigger some actions and as a result, implement various business logic. For example, if we have a changed state of the user story, let's close the state of the new feature. And other things like this. So today, with all new integrations we make, we can also integrate third-party systems into our subsystem of automation rules. This unlocks the possibility of various scenarios. For example, if the state of a card is changed and we move user story to the state tested, then please let's merge a pull request that is linked to this card. Opposite direction scenarios are also possible. For example, if some pull request has been merged, then let's change the state of the card in Targetprocess. More to that, our system of automation rules can also be used outside of Targetprocess context. If a company has Targetprocess, they can automate processes that happen outside of Targetprocess. For example, in GitLab, if a pipeline passed for some service and the tests have been passed, we can trigger a pipeline with integration tests in another repository. We can also automate scenarios between different third-party tools. The same example, when in GitLab a pull request has been merged and pipelines passed, let's trigger another pipeline in Jenkins. So we get a possibility to automate the processes which go beyond Targetprocess in the company and involve a certain set of tools that the company uses, as long as we have integrations with these tools. And the last important aspect, we do all our integrations so that they also integrate into our visualization system, our BI tool VisiDrop. This lets us build analytics using cross-tool data. For example, we can build a report in Targetprocess that also incorporates GitLab's pull request data. Let me show you what I mean. This is, for example, a report built with the help of our DevOps integration. Now, I will show you that in settings, we have a new data source that's called DevOps. And this report shows you the cycle time and the number of pull requests which every team in Targetprocess has done over the last 90 days. So we take the data from GitLab, map it to the data in Targetprocess, and we can see how different teams work. And this can serve as a source of extra information, because you can now analyze the efficiency of processes that happen in other tools, not in Targetprocess. Here's another interesting report to look at. How did the cycle time of pull requests of one team change over time? This is our team, and we can see that in every sprint we work differently and our efficiency and approach to work has been changing. We see that the cycle time of pull requests has been declining, so we did smaller changes in code, which is also indicative of the quality of processes inside the team. Another example is the areas of responsibility report. Here we can see which people are contributing to which features in the system. This bubble shows the number of pull requests for a certain feature, and we can see how many pull requests, by whom, and into which features have been made and reviewed. Now let's sum it all up. We are doing integrations so that we try to solve the following problems. Simplify navigation between systems. Source extra data into Targetprocess. Consolidate third-party data in Targetprocess so that it becomes the single source of information, which will let you work more conveniently. We want to make it possible to automate the processes beyond Targetprocess and cover a large set of third-party tools. Provide analytics on all these processes that happen in third-party tools. And that's it for the overview of the integrations in Targetprocess. Thank you for joining, and have a great day, everyone.